The computer board of the machine has all been turned on. The display screen is also on, which means the machine can work. The red number on this display shows the actual temperature inside the drum. The current temperature inside the drum is 29 degrees. First, we open the door and put the laundry in. And then close the door. Please note that the safety lock must be closed so that it is safer. When the little red light comes on, it means the door has been closed. Then press the start button. If you choose the first bucket to wash dark clothes, then press the T1 button. The downward arrow on the bottom means that the liquid comes out of the tank. Press the drum feed button and the liquid adding pump button. The detergent will flow from box 1 to the drum, and then press the wash button to start washing. The indicator light of the middle button lights up, which means the washing process has started. The time it takes for detergent to enter is approximately 40 seconds. After adding detergent, press the filling button on the panel to start washing. Regular clothes are usually washed for 9 minutes. After washing is completed, press the T1 button above to return the detergent to box 1 for about 1 minute. After all the detergent has entered the No. 1 box, press the degreasing button to remove the oil. After about 4 minutes, the washing process is completed and the machine automatically stops. Then press the fan, heating, and cooling buttons. When the 3 buttons are pressed at the same time, the machine starts drying. Wait until the light on the first button stops flashing before pressing the second button. Then start drying. This valve must be opened. To check whether the clothes have been dried, you can look through the small window to see if there is any liquid flowing out. If there is no liquid flowing out, it means the clothes have been dried. After drying, press the Sun button to leave the remaining 2 buttons working. When the temperature drops to 35 degrees, we can press the Stop button.